If your production team is still cutting tape by hand, struggling with inconsistent assembly, or dealing with excessive scrap, your adhesive application process may be holding your entire operation back. Many manufacturers start with rolls of tape because it's quick and inexpensive during prototyping. But as production volume increases, what worked for 10 parts quickly becomes inefficient for 10,000. In this video, we'll cover the benefits of die-cut adhesive parts, 5 signs that indicate you're ready to make the switch, and how working with an adhesive converter can improve efficiency, consistency, and overall product quality. A die-cut adhesive part is a custom-cut piece of tape or adhesive designed specifically for your application. Instead of operators measuring and trimming material during assembly, each part arrives ready to apply. This provides several major advantages. First, it improves consistency. Every part is manufactured to the same dimensions, reducing variation from one assembly to the next. Second, it speeds up production. Operators spend less time preparing adhesive and more time assembling products. Third, it reduces waste. Instead of trimming excessive material from larger pieces of tape, each part uses only the material required for the application. Finally, die-cut parts can be engineered with features like pull tabs, finger lifts, split liners, or multi-layer laminations that make assembly easier for operators and more compatible with automation equipment. While hand-cut tape works for prototypes and low-volume production, die-cut parts become increasingly valuable as production scales. One of the clearest signs is when operators spend a significant portion of their day measuring, trimming, and applying tape instead of assembling products. Every manual cut adds variability and consumes valuable labor time. Even if each cut only takes a few extra seconds, those seconds multiply across hundreds or thousands of parts every day. The result is slower production, increased labor costs, and bottlenecks that limit throughput. Even experienced operators won't place hand-cut tape exactly the same way every time. Slight differences in size, alignment, or positioning can affect product performance, appearance, or downstream assembly processes. If you're seeing variation between shifts or between operators, inconsistent adhesive placement may be contributing to the problem. Custom die-cut parts provide repeatable geometry every single time. Features like alignment holes, registration points can make positioning easier and significantly reduce operator error. Material waste is often overlooked because each individual piece seems insignificant. But if operators trim tape from larger rolls or sheets, those small offcuts add up quickly over time. Excess scrap increases material costs while also creating additional cleanup and disposal requirements. This does not account for when hand-cut products are mistakenly cut too short or too long for the application, which necessitates expensive rework. A properly designed die-cut part is optimized for manufacturing efficiency. Converters work to maximize material utilization, reducing unnecessary waste and helping lower overall production costs. As production volumes grow, every second matters. An assembly process that takes 1 extra minute per product can translate into hundreds of additional labor hours over the course of a year. Many assembly delays come from adhesive handling, cutting material, removing liners, repositioning parts, or correcting placement errors. Die-cut adhesive parts can be designed specifically to speed up assembly. The cumulative time savings across an entire production line can significantly increase throughput without adding additional labor. Automation demands consistency. Robotic systems and pick-and-place equipment rely on parts being the same size, shape, and orientation every single cycle. Hand-cut tape simply isn't capable of providing that level of repeatability. Die-cut adhesive parts can be supplied on rolls, liners, or carriers specifically designed for automated equipment. Consistent spacing, orientation, and dimensional accuracy allow automation systems to operate more reliably while reducing jams and placement errors. If you're investing in automation, your adhesive components should be designed with automation in mind. An adhesive converter does much more than cut tape into shapes. A good converter works alongside your engineering team to optimize part design, material selection, manufacturability, and assembly efficiency. They can recommend adhesive constructions that better fit your application, redesign parts to improve manufacturing performance, and incorporate features that simplify both manual and automated assembly. Converters also understand how materials behave during high-volume production and can help identify potential issues before they become expensive production problems. Rather than simply supplying adhesive material, they help create a solution that's designed for your manufacturing process. Whether your goal is reducing labor costs, improving consistency, increasing throughput, or preparing for automation, working with an experienced converter can help transform adhesive application from a production bottleneck into a competitive advantage. If your operators are still cutting tape by hand, dealing with inconsistent placement, generating excessive scrap, or struggling with long assembly times, it may be time to consider custom die-cut adhesive parts. At Strouse, we help companies design and manufacture adhesive components that improve efficiency, reduce waste, and scale with production. By involving a converter early in the design process, you can often eliminate costly manufacturing challenges before they ever reach the production floor. If you'd like to learn more about die cutting, explore our Learning Center for more videos just like this, or you can always reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching.